educated and well-known practitioner of Meerut. Now I hand over the mic to Dr. Rashi. Please do the needful.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, IDA Meerut branch, for giving me this opportunity. Just give me a minute to share my screen, please. A very warm good evening to all of you. I always start my presentation with this image of Goddess Saraswati. This is my introduction. I'm Dr. Rashi Chaturvedi. I completed my BDS in 2002, then MSc Medical Microbiology in 2010, PGD in Clinical Cosmetology in 2016, and now presently doing MDS Orthodontics from Kalka Dental College, Meerut. This is me. I got an appreciation for cosmetology in 2017. I'm a proprietor at Khatris General Dental and Cosmetology Center, owner of a Path and Scan Center, and executive committee member to IDA Meerut Can branch, a member to AICBA Lucknow. As rightly said by Benjamin Franklin, the best doctor gives the least medicines. Now, as you all know, Ayurvedic medicines and its beliefs, they has many origins. But the most famous text was compiled by Acharya Charaka in his compilation named Charaka Samhita. He said, life, Ayu, is the combination or samyoga of body, senses, mind, and reincarnating soul. Ayurveda is the most sacred science of life, beneficial to humans, both in his world and world beyond. Now, coming to the topic, number one, you can see this question. This is the biggest question today we are facing in our COVID-19 pandemic time, that what builds your immunity? Does eating only multivitamins build your immunity, or mineral supplements, or superfoods? No, these are not just enough. If we say we talk about multivitamins, minerals, or supplements, or just anything, we will only eat them for some time. It is totally dose dependent and time dependent. You just cannot have it for long. But your body faces a lot of things. Your immunity faces a lot of things like genetic issues, hormonal issues, then aging is the prime factor. So, what is one thing which can build the immunity for long, like at all ages? And these barriers, whether the environmental barrier or the genetic barriers, don't hamper your immunity. And when I think about this question, only one thing comes in my mind, that is this word Kantsudha, an immunity booster. Now, everybody sitting here might be thinking, what is this Kansuda? I'm talking again and again about this topic. How is it prepared and dispensed? Then why is it the need of the hour? So let's start with this Kansuda. Kansuda, it is a 40-year-old formulation. It was formulated by my husband's great grandfather. He started this. This was an Indian traditional medicine which started by drying the herbs and grinding it to fine powder, then could be given in tabulated forms or in powdered formulations. It only contains natural herbs and ingredients, and some of them I have listed here like camphor, long, and elaichi. And you would be rightly knowing it, कि camphor is basically having a lot of properties which are very, very positive during COVID-19 pandemic time. And also some people think कि if it is Ayurveda, it will obviously contain bhasams or any other preservatives so that it can be formed into a tableted version. No, this formulation is a powdered version. It has no bhasams or any synthetic agents or preservatives used. And also, if it is stored properly at room temperature, there are no temperature variations, then the shelf life of this formulation is of 1 year. Coming to the preparation and packaging, it is done with utmost precaution and care. All the sanitization protocols are followed, and I usually dispense right now due to COVID pandemic time. It is usually dispensed in single doses in zip pouches, and further it is packed in paper bags and then again in zip pouches for the dispersal. And from the preparation, from the very start of the medicine preparation till the packaging and the dispensing, everything is exclusively done by me under my roof. Now, before talking about why I am talking about it or why I am calling it as the need of the hour and why it is so important to have it, let's see these 2-3 pictures here. Number one, you are well aware of COVID-19, how it has attacked actually the whole nation, and it is a terror right now for us. The second image is social distancing. As you can see here, as this is the importance of social distancing being shown here, ki if we follow a good social distancing protocol, what is being said, then we can actually reduce the number of infected patients to hardly 2.5 people. But sadly, social distancing is the most neglected thing these days. And the other two pics are of basic symptoms which people start with, like cough, shortness of breath, then level of oxygen also goes down, and obviously fever. My point is, we should at least not wait for these all symptoms to get severe and then we rush to the hospital. Why not we are controlling these things beforehand? In fact, before we catch it. See, there are many things which are being done these days. If you all have heard, in Chennai, there's one Siddha therapy is being given by Dr. Veera Babu. This therapy is basically constitutes of Indian traditional medicines. And in Indian Express also, the secretary also said, and the government also backed up this add-on therapy. It is basically a preventive therapy, and it is being dispensed in chewing form. So that means these therapies, these traditional therapies are in, and people are aware of these therapies, and everybody is wanting to get that kind of prevention, that kind of immunity build up, which we need to fight this COVID-19 pandemic. Coming to the importance of the formulation. Number one, it is very effective in all kinds of respiratory problems, whether asthma, whether any kind of allergies, upper respiratory tract infections, etc. Any kind of viral infections, sinusitis, mouth ulcers. Also, it conditions the vocal cords. Anyone who is like going to get a surgery for the vocal cords, you can try this, and it is extremely effective. I have gone through this thing. I have tried it personally myself, and within 5 days, the condition started recovering, and within 1 month, there were no symptoms. There are no side effects, no sensitivities, and no drug interactions that can be given at all ages, starting from 3 years of age. And it can be given to patients on any kind of therapy they are, whether chemotherapy, hormonal therapy, or diabetes, or they are hypertensive, anything and everything. Patient on thyroid, on thyroxine also, they can also eat it. So any patient can have it any time of the day. It is not reactive at all to any other drug being taken by them. It develops an excellent immune system response if the patient is taking it long term. Coming to its dosage, The basic dose is, the first month dose is of prime importance for the sensitization of your body to this formulation. It is 3 times a day for the first 5 days, 2 times a day for the next 10 days, then once a day for the rest of the 15 days. And dose for the consecutive months are, if the person is going out for work, then he has or she has to take it twice a day. If the person stays at home, not going out anywhere, then once a day is sufficient. And for children up to 15 years of age, at least half a sachet once a day is important if they are staying home. One sachet, what I have shown in the pic, contains 3 grams of this formulation. These are some of the reviews which I have clubbed up for you all to see it. The reviews are taken from February 2016 till February 2020. This is approximately 17,000 patients given this formulation to. 100% patient satisfaction was found in cases of respiratory wellness. 80% patients suffering from shortness of breath due to any cause, asthma, sinusitis, allergies caused due to any weather change, etc. They also showed remarkable response within 1 month of the prescribed drug. And recently, there are many patients who were using inhalers. They commented that their use of inhaler have reduced to almost 50% on the usage within 1 month. And 90% of the patients, they complemented the formulation for making them less prone to infections and also in reducing their intake of allopathic drugs to a minimum. 89% having mouth ulcers also got benefited by its use. 92% they got satisfied by the taste of the formulation. See, any Ayurvedic formulation, it is, when purely given, it is bitter in taste. So in this formulation, as it is a powdered formulation, and after eating this formulation, actually for half an hour, you should not drink or eat anything. So the taste is taken care of very well. It is very, very palatable. And 10% of the patients, they did not continue the formulation as per prescription, so the effects were marginal. So in any case, whether the patient is taken as per the recommended dosage, what I have prescribed, or the patient is taking as per their wish, they are not listening to the doctor, then also in any case, the effects would come, whether of the best of the effects or the marginal effects. But there will never be any side effects or any kind of negative effects the patient would be facing with this formulation. With this, I would like to quote a Buddha statement, that is, every human being is the author of his or her own health and or disease. See, your health is most important, utmost important. Your responsibility towards your body is more important than anything else, because unless and until you are healthy, you are alive, and you don't have a sound mind, sound body, and sound soul, you will not be of any help to your family, to the society, and your peers. For any reviews, for any information regarding the pack, or for getting the pack, you can contact me on these phone numbers. This is my mail ID. These are my addresses. And this is my channel I have launched. It is by the name of Dr. Rashi's Mind, Body and Soul. This channel also has a video related to Kanch Sudha. You can go, you can subscribe the channel, and you can watch the video also there for more details. And I'm extremely thankful to all, and thank you for the patient listening.
Thank you, Dr.
Hello.
Rashi, for the presentation. Any questions?
Can you repeat the name of the medicine? Please repeat the name of the medicine.
Excuse me. Sir?
Please
Kantsudha.
repeat the.
Kantsudha. It is Kantsudha.
And it is available only with you or any other shop.
Excuse me.
Is it
No, it's-
available only with available
No,
with you only?
it is being made, processed, dispensed by me only. It is nowhere available due to COVID-19. It is exclusively prepared by me. You can contact me for this. There is like no marketing done for the product, just to take care of the sanitization thing, which is actually the demand of the day.
Thank you.
Most welcome, sir.
Can you post your telephone number or the on the line?
Sorry, sir, I can't hear you.
Can you post your telephone number and link on
I
the
have.
email?
Yes, sure. Yes, sure. I'll give it to you.
Dr. Rashi, hello, good evening,
Hello,
everybody.
ma'am. Good evening. Yes, ma'am.
Dr. Rashi, it was really a nice, informative talk. Very short, but very informative.
Thank you, ma'am.
And it is really nice to see you rising, soaring the limits,
Thank you.
sky, and hope
Thanks a
you
lot for
achieve
your support,
the
ma'am.
best in life.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for your
It's
support.
always there, and best wishes always.
I'm really overwhelmed by the support of my all seniors and professors who are sitting here who have taught me. And I'm really, really thankful for your support. Seriously. I'm really, really
God bless
happy
you
that you are
always.
here. And Dr. Kansal, Dr. Manaktala sir, and my friend Dr. Rakshi, then Dr. Himanshu Mishra sir. Matlab, it's like, it's really great. I'm actually talking in front of you all. That is very scary.
No, it was really very, very well presented and very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pleasure to hear.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
God
And
bless
thanks
you.
to sir also.
Definitely,
I
he was
hope he's
listening.
listening. That's okay.
Any other questions? Dr.
I was
Himanshu sir?
asking, can you post the link or telephone number to contact you? Your telephone number.
Ma'am, Dr.
Doctor,
Rashi, please post it again. Your
sir?
contact number. Please
Okay.
post it again, your contact number.
Yeah. Just a sec, sir. Posting, sir, posting. Just a sec.
Thank you.
Most welcome, sir.
I thank Dr. Rashi on behalf of IDA Meerut branch for the very nice presentation.
Thank you, sir.
We expect again we will meet soon on any other topic. We have a vast range of cosmetology also. You do so. We would like to again have a talk. Thank you once
sir.
again.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.